Yesterday's review, Herb Gerbler, well, wasn't that much to think about, but at least we got something out of this pack. There's one car off, only 3 more to go. That's the 3 ones that have already been released, that have been really hard to find. And there's Mr. Bobby, who hasn't got any store content yet, but will soon. So as you can see here, we got Marcus Chrysler, and today we're going to be reviewing Bubba Wheelhouse. Now you might be wondering, Cars Jaden, Bubba Wheelhouse is a NASCAR racer. Yeah, I know. And now I have all of the NASCAR next gen racers. Danny Suarez as Danny Suarez, Chase Racelet as the other guy's name is. I'm just gonna call him Chase. Anyway, I also got Ryan and St. Laney. Let's go in order on which NASCAR racer / next gen I got first. First, I got Danny Suarez, then Ryan and St. Laney, then Chase Racelet, and now here we are with another good one, Mr. Bubba. So let's get out. This might take a while, but don't worry about that. Might take a little bit. There we go. Got it. No, miss. Oh, there we go. There we go. Got it. Alright. Perfect. Wow, he looks awesome. Way more like it when he's out of package. And he's more awesome than I can imagine. Okay, boys, let me show you the result. So, at least we got something else out of this. Now I'm gonna try to review Darren today too, and maybe Ernie tomorrow. Who knows, it could be anything. But I just have to see. So anyway, Bubba has this more lightish blue or purple in the front, and there's the vents there. There's his mustache, or as you could call it, a grill. His wheels are like any other regular wheel, just normal black. Anyway, the contingency sponsors on this next gen is Piston Cup, Combustor, Carbon, Cyber, and Synergy. Same thing on this side. And the colors on the top says JT, I guess. I mean, it looks like a 4, but kind of doesn't. So anyway, and not to be a little sore throat here, but in the old images of him, like on here, it says 63, but on this diecast version, it's 6. That's because the NASCAR racer had to be 6 because he had the number of the next gen number. That's why Marcus and the next gen and the cars beforehand, like Rick Yardley, Bobby Swift, Speedy, Comet. I mean, that's the new sponsor. Who wouldn't change the number? But anyway, his spoiler is a bendy one. It's going down, up, and then up again. It's kind of a bendy spoiler, and there's no piece like Paul Camarada's piece. He has a bit longer in here, like it goes like that far. Excuse me. But Bubba doesn't have it. But once I get Dan Garcia, we'll have something to go for it. So anyway, the lights he has in front are more blue And not to be a record here, but on camera it looks really blurry because of how little quality it has. But if you look at it, if you really have a diecast like mine, you can see the bubbles on my Bubba wheelhouse are a little more defined. I mean, they are kind of black. They have a black lining instead of white lining. I mean, it kind of makes sense. There's the juicy yellow part turning into bubbly bubbles, going all the way through the fender here, goes to there, and goes to the back that has rookie stripes. Apparently he doesn't have anything that impressive except for his backlights. Nothing much. Except for the JT. Or is it supposed to be TJ? Let me see this again. Yeah, it's supposed to be TJ. Transfer juice. So anyway, the rookie stripes stayed the same for both versions. The old version was a single, and this 10-pack version is still having it. Nothing much in the back. I mean, this is not the best racer yet, but he has something going for him with those dark blue eyes. So let's compare him to my 2018 version of Marcus. Not the Thailand, just China. Now I don't have Lee Lepkins. But I do have something from him. If I can just find it anywhere. Oh, there he is. There he is. There we go. Got it. So here it is. It's eBay. So this is Louis Lepkin's cab. I don't know what's gonna be for the hauler, but who knows? They might make a 2018 model version of the Cars 3 version of Marcus Kringsler's hauler. And who knows? We have been getting some eBay votings on. We haven't got that much on transfer juice yet, but we have got news that we will be getting a eBay seller of Paul Conrad's hauler. Well, I haven't got any of the haulers yet, but it could be cool to see something. But apart from that, I did see Marcus Kringsler and Louis Lepkins beside each other, and it just shows Marcus because he's that cool, and how couldn't I? So once I find the time, I'm gonna get him, and I won't regret getting him or missing him this time, because I have this cab, this racer, Marcus Kringsler, and Bubba wheelhouse. I mean, it's not a cool edition without any pitties or crew chiefs, but you could say it. If I had Lepkins, it's a complete team. So anyway, thank you guys very much good for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.